Hey friends, welcome back to my channel ZAC Learning House. So friends, आज हम सीखने वाले हैं 100+ फ्रेजल वर्ब्स। जी हाँ, ऐसे फ्रेजल वर्ब्स आज हम सीखेंगे जो कि हम अपनी डेली लाइफ में अप्लाई करते हैं या फिर आज के बाद करने वाले हैं। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। Ask for, to request something.
He asked for a glass of water at the restaurant. He asked for a glass of water at the restaurant.
Break down, to stop working.
My car broke down on the highway. My car broke down on the highway.
Break up, to end a relationship.
They broke up after 5 years of dating. They broke up after 5 years of dating.
Bring up, to mention a topic.
She brought up the problem during the meeting. She brought up the problem during the meeting.
Call off, to cancel.
The manager called off the meeting. The manager called off the meeting.
Calm down, to relax after being angry.
She calmed down after taking a deep breath. She calmed down after taking a deep breath.
Carry on, to continue.
Despite the noise, he carried on with his work. Despite the noise, he carried on with his work.
Check in, to register at a hotel.
We checked in at the hotel at 2 p.m. We checked in at the hotel at 2 p.m.
Check out, to leave a hotel.
We have to check out before noon. We have to check out before noon.
Come across, to find by chance.
I came across an old letter in my drawer. I came across an old letter in my drawer.
Come back, to return.
She came back from her trip last night. She came back from her trip last night.
Come in, to enter.
Please come in and sit down. Please come in and sit down.
Cut down, to reduce.
He cut down on sugar for his health. He cut down on sugar for his health.
Cut off, to disconnect.
The phone call was cut off suddenly. The phone call was cut off suddenly.
Do over, to do again.
I made a mistake, so I had to do the report over. I made a mistake, so I had to do the report over.
Drop in, to visit unexpectedly.
She dropped in to say hello.
Drop off, to fall asleep. Or to deliver someone.
I dropped off while watching TV. I dropped off while watching TV. He dropped me off at the airport. He dropped me off at the airport.
Eat out. To eat at a restaurant. To eat at a restaurant.
We decided to eat out instead of cooking. We decided to eat out instead of cooking.
Figure out. To understand. Figure out. To understand.
I finally figured out how to solve the puzzle. I finally figured out how to solve the puzzle.
Find out. To discover information. Find out. To discover information.
She found out the truth yesterday. She found out the truth yesterday.
Give up. To quit. Give up. To quit.
He gave up smoking last year. He gave up smoking last year.
Go on. To continue. Go on. To continue.
The teacher asked the students to go on with their work. The teacher asked the students to go on with their work.
Go out. To leave home for social activities. Go out. To leave home for social activities.
They went out for dinner last night. They went out for dinner last night.
Grow up. To become an adult. Grow up. To become an adult.
He grew up in a small village. He grew up in a small village.
Hand in. To submit. Hand in. To submit.
Please hand in your assignments by Friday. Please hand in your assignments by Friday.
Hang out. To spend time with friends. Hang out. To spend time with friends.
They love to hang out at the park. They love to hang out at the park.
Hold on. To wait. Hold on. To wait.
Hold on, I will be back in a minute. Hold on, I will be back in a minute.
Hurry up. To go faster. Hurry up. To go faster.
Hurry up, we are getting late. Hurry up, we are getting late.
Keep on. To continue. Keep on. To continue.
Keep up, to maintain the pace. Keep up, to maintain the pace.
Let down. To disappoint. Let down. To disappoint.
I don't want to let my parents down. I don't want to let my parents down.
Look after. To take care of. Look after. To take care of.
She looks after her younger brother. She looks after her younger brother.
Look for. To search. Look for. To search.
I am looking for my lost keys. I am looking for my lost keys.
Pick up. To lift something or to collect someone. Pick up. To lift something or to collect someone.
I picked up the book from the table. I picked up the book from the table.
Put off. To postpone. Put off. To postpone.
The meeting was put off until next week. The meeting was put off until next week.
Put on, to wear. Put on, to wear.
She put on her new dress for the party. She put on her new dress for the party.
Set up, to arrange or establish. Set up, to arrange or establish.
They set up a new business last year. They set up a new business last year.
Show up, to arrive. Show up, to arrive.
Turn on, to start a machine or light. Turn on, to start a machine or light.
Turn off, to stop a machine or light. Turn off, to stop a machine or light.
Turn up, to appear suddenly. To appear suddenly.
Write down, to record in writing. Write down, to record in writing.
Give in, to surrender. Give in, to surrender.
Bake up, to support. Bake up, to support.
So friend, this was today's video. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.